106, which is the hottest temperature DFW has recorded this year. We did it a couple times in July. We did it yesterday. We could probably do it again today. But this warning is actually in place because actual temperatures can get up to 108 in some spots.
Wow, that's really, that's very scary. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's dangerous. And so definitely want to make sure to take extra caution. That is why that heat advisory has been taken up a notch.
You see these guys back here behind us too playing if you're watching. They're practicing out there right now.
I don't know how. Well, you know, it's not the hottest part of the day just yet. I'm hoping that they really take it easy and take some breaks, though, because today the actual temperature may make it up to 108 in some spots, but the heat index up to 109. That is why the extreme heat warning is in place. And it's really going to be between noon and 8 p.m. for the counties in pink. That does include DFW. The rest of the area under a heat advisory. Either way you put it, this is dangerous heat that we're talking about. And right now, downtown Dallas showing a blue sky, not a cloud in the sky, 94 degrees right now. Normal this time of the year high temperature is 96. We're only 2 degrees shy from that. In fact, at this point yesterday, we were at 94. So we're kind of following that same weather pattern, which is why I think we'll make it to 106 again today. In fact, by 2 in the afternoon, the temperature might be close to 103, 106 expected between 4 and 5, and we'll still be in the triple digits as we head into sunset this evening. Winds out of the southwest at about 5 to 10. Not much of a breeze out there today, so that's not really helping out the situation either. I do think that some locations get very close to about 105 in Tarrant County, about 104 in McKinney, 102 possible in Denton, close to 104 in Sherman. The heat index won't be too much higher than this, but at this point, anything over, 105, I mean, we're talking, it all kind of feels the same, right? You know what I mean. So this year so far, we have made it to 100 plus degrees at DFW specifically 24 times. By this point in the year, we generally have about 15 to 16 triple digit heat days. For the entire year, what is normal is 20. So we're already trending hotter than normal. And if you think, man, this just feels kind of brutal, well, that's because last year we only had 7. So that's our most recent comparison. Last year we only made it into the triple digits 7 times. We have more than tripled that already, and we've got plenty more opportunities to add to that count. In fact, the rest of the week, I'm thinking 103 or hotter. 105 on Wednesday, 104 Thursday, 103 on Friday, and still into the triple digits over the weekend. This is a good 8 to 10 degrees hotter than what's considered normal this time of the year. As we get towards the end of the week, we could be looking at some temperatures that are close to record highs. And it's not just North Texas, it's a big portion of the South as this ridge of high pressure or the heat dome just really isn't letting up. Several states still continue with heat alerts all across the Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, just outside the influence of that heat dome, we have some thunderstorms from Nebraska towards northern Missouri. That is where we find the potential for severe weather today. Otherwise, we are looking rain-free. And yes, that does include Texas, at least for the next couple of weeks. In fact, through the end of the month, I'm thinking triple digits every afternoon, light winds and rain hard to come by here over the next couple of weeks. Morning lows in the low 80s, meaning we're not recovering much. So overall, just hot, rain-free, dangerous kind of heat. Make sure to protect yourselves and always have a plan for your pets. Speaking of, Kara,